To assemble your 7-day 4-pass multi-med card, you'll need a card, a filling template, a roller, and a blister. For this patient, 6 medications are taken each day, some of them once a day and some twice a day. Place the filling template on the table. Next, remove the pressure-sensitive liner from the bottom of the card. Place the card on the sealing template and insert the blister. Next, let's fill our medications. You'll notice that the printed days of the week and times of the day correspond with the same information printed on the front of the card. This makes it quick and easy when filling the card. Our first medication is taken twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. Our second medication is taken in the morning. Our third medication is taken at noon. Our fourth medication is taken at bedtime. Our fifth medication is also taken at bedtime. Our final sixth medication is taken at both bedtime and at noon. Once filled, fold the card over and use the roller to securely seal the card. It's that quick and easy. Your 1-week, clean, disposable 7-day 4-pass multi-med card is filled and ready to use. It's easy to push your finger through the foil backing to release the pills into your hand. But there is an easier way. The Pill Bob is an easy-to-use tool for dispensing your medications. Push the serrated tip upwards through the foil, sweep the blister, and meds just drop into the cup. Using this medication packaging solution can drastically improve the life of the patient and provide peace of mind for their loved ones or caregivers.